how to sell Wix websites templates. So first things first, you have to go to sign up Wix. Okay, you can create an account using your email address and password, or you can just connect your Google account to create a Wix account. So basically, once you have your Wix account, this is what it looks like. I have here my unpublished sites right here. And if you want to edit one of your sites, then all you have to do is click select and edit site. And now for the sake of this tutorial, because you will be or I will be selling templates that I have created here in Wix and then sell this to platforms like Squarespace or Shopify and other platforms. So I need to create my own website from scratch. So what you're going to do here is tap on create new site. Now, Wix will ask you if you want to try this Wix Studio, where you can use advanced features of Wix, but as a beginner, you can also try this create on Wix editor, which is for me is easier. And then here you can see this option. Um you can ask AI to help you building your template, but as a beginner, again, I strongly suggest to tap on the second one, which is set up without chat. Got this one right here. So it will ask you what type of website do you want to create and you want to sell. So let's just say I will be selling e-commerce website, specifically e-commerce store. Tap on continue. Now it's preparing for your dashboard. So since you will be selling e-commerce website, you can just basically add your e-commerce website content and features, and it's up to them what what is the name of their store or what is the name of their e-commerce website. So it's up to them, and it's up to them to change this. Okay, and then all you have to do now is tap on continue. No, I'm just starting out. Of course, you will be selling, let's just say, digital products. Continue. And then you can choose from any of this here. Go to your dashboard. So this is your dashboard. I consider this as independent dashboard because whatever you add here, whatever you change here, it will not affect your other website. But actually, this is not our main focus for this time. If you want to know more about Wix tutorials, you can go to our channel, check our channel. There's a lot of Wix tutorials there, and all you have to do is to watch. So for this time, let's just jump in directly to our main focus, which is to sell, create templates here, and then sell. So tap on design site. So how would you like to design your website? You can ask a design or help from AI. You can also customize a template. All you have to do is to pick a template from them, but just do some changes because in that way, if you just use the same template, then it's not yours. Okay, you know what I mean, right? So you have to pick a template, but you have to, change something. You can change something to make it really your artwork, or you can also continue with setup for now. You can tap this one right here. Okay, so pick a template. So I was looking for starts from scratch, but I can't find it. So basically, you can just pick from any of this here and then change everything. Okay, so for example, I'm going to tap this one. I'm going to edit this. So this is the template. You can also tap on the zoom in. Okay, so that it would be easier for you to edit everything. Now we have here on the left side the elements, the section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and CMS. So for this time I'm going to delete and change everything here. So for the title or the main page or the header, I'm going to edit this with the name of my template. So I have here e-commerce website and content features. Then I can change the style right here. Okay, or the heading. Okay. So let's just pick heading 6 and then change the font style. Okay. And then font size and then bold. Okay. Everything is up to you. You can also add effect, and I can stretch this one out and then move it a little bit right here. Now, you can change the image, but actually you can just leave it this way because if they're going to buy your template, then they also need to change the image. All you have to do here is to just make it bigger if you want, something like that. Or you can just basically move it right here, so they can change something here like a tagline for their website. So I have added here, let's just say your one-stop shop for everything, but actually they can change this one if they wanted to. Now I will add a background right here. I'm going to change this one. So change header design. I can fill color here if I want to for the background. Okay, change the border. And then for the shadow, I can apply shadow if I want to. Something like that here. But actually everything is up to you. Scroll. But this one is not really, this one is optional. Okay, so now I have here the header. Then if you want to add a feature here on your header, all you have to do is tap on this pages and menu. So as you can see here in the pages and menu, this is what you can see here, home, as you can see, shop, FAQ, and contact us. So if you want to add something, then all you have to do is add menu item. For example, I will be adding a services, or let's just say contact, okay? You can also add a blank page if you want. So I'm going to add a blank page right here. So this is new page, but actually I just have to edit that one. So go back, and then with the new page right here, you can edit this one, or you can rename this with, what was that? You can go back again, okay, rename product, okay, product detail page. And you can put it right here, below shop. You can add more, add page if you want. Then this time I wanted to add about us page. So I tap this one right here and then tell my visitors about this e-commerce website. Okay, so you can just basically add from any of this. So I would like to try this one right here. And then this is what it looks like. So it's adding the page. So we have here. And then if I wanted to change everything here, like the picture and so on, all I have to do is to double click this one. And then I'm going to change the image. Tap this one. For changing image, you can just add, if you have your own pictures, just upload from your computer. But for the sake of this tutorial, I just get from media from Wix. Choose image here. And I'm going to edit this one right here with this. And basically add more section. Tap this one. Add section right here. So this time I'm going to tap on the add elements. And then you can now add from any of the elements right here. For example, I will be adding gallery. And then it's like a slider gallery. Okay. But everything is up to you. Okay. So I just want this one right here. It will be added here in the section. So now your customer or your client can easily add their products right here. And I will be adding again another section. This time you have to show your social. Okay, this time I'm going to add contact and forms. Okay, tap on and you can add from any of this here. For example, contact us. Here it is, contact form. And you can add more elements, a section. You can also change your page menu right here. You can design your site if you want to do for the color. Okay, customize everything here. You can add apps from App Market. You can just basically search it right here. So these are the categories you can explore. Also, you can add your big store. Okay, you can set up your first product and so on. Add more media, upload your media right here, and link your social media accounts and CMS. But let's just go directly to our main target. So all you have to do now is to publish your website, your template rather. And while publishing, you can now screenshot this. We will be using your picture to sell your template. Okay, so you can use Canva to edit your picture. This could be your pictures that your clients can see. And if they like these pictures, then of course they will click the link. Now paste your picture here on your pane and then save this. Now I am on Canva. I'm going to upload the picture and I'm going to drag it right here. I'm going to change the color. I'm going to add a box. I'm going to add a text. As you can see, get your site here. So I'm going to add a link. Okay, so add a link right here. Now you have to copy your link. Okay, make sure that this one is published already. Paste your link right here. Done. And then you have to share this one, download as PDF so that your client or customers can click this. It will take them directly to your website. And that's it. Now you can go to site like Shopify and Squarespace to sell your website. So what you're going to do is you have to go to products. Let's say Shopify, add products here. Wix website template, you can add a paragraph right here about this one and then upload a picture. Once done, you can tap save. Now go to add apps, go to Shopify App Store, look for a digital product right here, particularly digital downloads. Install this to your Shopify and then install. So we're going to add here, add digital files, click this one, add files. So this is the reason why we created it earlier using the Canva. And then after that, go to more actions and then tap on save. And you should see it right here. Your customer should see this, click the link, and then they have to purchase if they like it, and then they will pay you for this one. Now for Squarespace, here you have to go to products and services, tap on products, and then add a product right here, download because this one is digital. Then add a product here, Wix website template, add description, add information, image, upload file, and then upload the file here, which is the PDF. You can set the price. Organization, you can add this one. Selling tools, you can add featured product and so on. And then once done, you can now tap on save or publish. So you can also sell this website or template to other sites. For this tutorial, I just show you the Shopify way on how to sell this one, also the Squarespace and method. But this is how you basically create a template using the Wix and then sell this to these platforms. So why choose a Shopify? It's great for digital products and automation. So you can create a Shopify account and use apps like digital downloads or send out to deliver the welcome kit, like what I've showed you earlier. So all you have to do is create a product page for each template, like with a screenshot, and then add this to your Canva, add a demo link or the link, publish the site temporarily on a free Wix domain for preview, and you have to include a template, transfer guide, and support. Now, also for Squarespace, why choose this one? This one is great for aesthetic presentation and portfolio style sales. So again, you have to sign up and choose a template suited for digital products. Use the commerce plan to sell, add products with detailed subscriptions, a demo link, and preview images. Upload a digital download using the PDF guide for instant delivery, and then use forms or email automation to gather the buyer's Wix account email so you can manually transfer the template. Now, for the Wix template, you have to access your duplicate template on Wix and then use the site transfer feature. It requires the buyer's email. Now, transfer ownership. Send a follow up email with usage tips and support information. And basically, these are just the ways on how to sell Wix website templates. Again, just create website using Wix, do some screenshot, go to Canva, upload this image, add the link, and then share this, download this PDF, and then go to your Shopify, upload this product with the link, and your customer can see and click this link. If they want to avail this, then all they have to do is to contact you for them to use your Wix template. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.